Hey, it's Matt here, and today I want to talk about the Apple Watch Series 8 after using it for the last 3 months. My first encounter with the Apple Watch occurred a few years ago when Apple released the Apple Watch Series 3. I liked the idea of having a smartwatch that can help me with various tasks throughout the day. I used them for a few months and I was very disappointed. Mostly because I expected to be super productive with the watch on my wrist, but I wasn't. But there was one thing I was excited about: making phone calls through the watch. I was transported to the world of James Bond. I stopped wearing them and only wore them occasionally for exercise, mainly swimming, before tossing them in the shelf and forgetting about them. But Apple released new Apple Watch Series 8 a few months ago and I thought to myself, okay man, it's been a few years, maybe I can get used to them now. So I bought the 45mm aluminum version. I've been using the watch every day since I've got them. I wore them even during my sleep for a few nights to measure my sleep cycle with the upgraded tracking app. But one, I don't want to be more stressed about my shitty sleep, and two, I didn't like wearing a watch during my sleep, it wasn't comfortable for me. But I got used to wearing them during the day very quickly. Now, let's talk about the main reasons I like the Apple Watch Series 8. One of the best features of the Apple Watch is the ability to receive and respond to notifications. You can see your notifications at a glance and even reply to messages or take action on them right from your wrist. This saves you the time and distraction of pulling out your phone every time you get a notification. I totally love the 45mm aluminum version. It goes well with my all-black EDC theme. The always-on OLED Retina display is lovely and smooth, and I can see notifications and the time without having to lift my wrist. However, it scratches easily, which disappointed me because my watch looked like I've had them for years. Of course, I bought a screen protector, but it looked terrible. But if you can find one that looks good on your watch, you should definitely get it. The sports band that comes with the watch is made of fine rubber material and it's pretty good, but I didn't like how the strap is locked around my wrist. But I still use it when I work out. My daily wrist strap is from a brand named Nomad. It's made out of leather and the details are absolutely stunning. It fits well and it's really comfortable. This is the best feature of the entire Apple Watch. You can change the appearance of your watch face. You can also create a few options and then scroll through them based on your activity or situation. I have a date, battery life, weather, and the Find My Things app on my main watch face. I also have a minimalistic duo numbers watch face without any apps. You can really experiment with it, so how your Apple Watch looks like, it's entirely up to you. A lot of people are judging Apple Watch because of its battery life. Well, you need to understand that you have basically your whole phone on your wrist. For me, the battery life on Series 3 was a nightmare, but I can easily get through 2 days and 2 nights without measuring my sleep with the Apple Watch Series 8. They even have the low battery mode, like your iPhone, to extend the battery life even further. Of course, it depends on what apps you are using during the day. The charge time was the most surprising aspect. Since Series 8 has a fast charge, you can get full power within minutes. As on all series of Apple Watch, you can put various applications on your watch. There is a lot of them, but only few of them are really necessary for me. In terms of health, I use the medication app. I can put all my medication, vitamins and supplements in my case, in the app. Set specific times, how many pieces and how often I have to take them. The app then notifies me to take my medicine. I also have the heart rate monitor on at all times and sometimes I check my blood oxygen level. I don't know why I do it, but it's kind of fun. The workout app has a ton of new workouts and you can set up your own workout in terms of your time goal, length and calories you want to burn. Series 8 also came with various emergency medical functions like crash detection, fall detection, ECG measurement app and a lot more. A truly healthy leap. Let's see the productivity apps. I found out that I can use my watch as a remote controller for photos and videos. After so much time. I know, don't judge me. Watch reflects the same picture as your phone camera sees. You can set up a timer and make some nice self-portraits or videos. This helped me a lot during my travels or even here in my studio. Wallet app is a must on the watch. I don't use it for paying with Apple Pay, too lazy to set that up, but I use it when traveling. I have all my boarding passes there and it works okay with the airport scanners. Since I'm forgetting something every day, I have a lot of AirTags on my things. So the Find My app is always ready. I've even put it on my main screen or watch face for quick access. The shortcuts are great, but I didn't set a lot of them up. Just for my Philips Hue app here in the studio. It helped me a lot when I was recording some reels where I needed to synchronize lights. You should go and follow me there. But I'm sure I will get to set up more shortcuts in the future. And of course the classics like notifications, calendar or reminders. So let's sum things up. I am happy with the watch. The style, the functions, the quality, the performance is amazing. But I have to say that this smartwatch is more of a nice to have than need to have. However, if you have the Series 7, I wouldn't recommend the upgrade. But if you have older series, perhaps Series 3 like I did, the upgrade is totally worth it. If you own Series 8, be sure to share your favorite functions in the comment section below. If there's something you don't like, be sure to share that with me too. Thank you for watching, support me by subscribing to my channel, leave a like on the video and follow me on my Instagram. See you soon!